Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Tammy. So today I'm going to show you how I get this glowy full coverage foundation look. See how glowy my skin is? Okay, so first I'm starting by priming my face. Next I'm taking these two foundations, Lancome and Kat Von D foundation, mixing them together so that, for my face. This is my combination. It really does a good job in keeping my makeup on all day, especially during the summer. So now I'm going in with this Ecos blender and just blending it out. Yeah, be careful not to put a lot, because sometimes it can get a drop goes a long way. Like sometimes I put a little bit too much by accident. But yeah, you don't need that much. You only need a little bit, because trust me, a little bit goes a long way. So next I'm taking a paper towel and just patting my face to remove all the oils before I add on powder. And this is also one thing that helps in keeping my makeup on all day, outside, in the summer, in the hot sun. Pat, 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 pat. I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know what song I'm dancing to. Now I'm taking my Tarte concealer, and I'm using this one that's really light first to highlight underneath my eyes. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to this I'm using as a concealer. And you know, I'm gonna do the shabazz highlight, you know, all that good stuff. My nose, my forehead. So I'm just gonna blend it out with my Real Techniques brush. Yeah, I look crazy like right now, like freaking, you know, babalawos, yeah. So if you're Nigerian, you know what that means. But I'm just gonna, you know, blend it out so I don't look as crazy. Blending is key. I also put some on my eyes as to act as a primer for my eyeshadow. And yep, I'm just gonna blend. Next, I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm using that to set my highlighted areas. Next, I'm taking my True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance in the color medium to dark, and I am using that as like a contour. It's more like a bronzer to me than more like a contour, because it's so reddish. So I use that as like, yeah, a bronzer contour. And I just, you know, take that, blend my areas that need blending, contouring. You know, sometimes I apply it initially, you know, I apply it harshly, but then I go in with my beauty blender and I blend it all together. I also use the beauty blender to blend my powder. So I'm taking this MAC skin finish, yeah, that, and I'm taking that to blend everything in. I did a reverse contour to sharpen my contour areas, but that clip did not show up on camera. But I'm just going to be pressing the powder into my skin like so that everything gets blended well. You see now how everything is coming together. Yeah, so this is my little secret. Because I put a lot of powder, I'm going to go in with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I'm going to spray my face. Then I'm going to go in with a beauty blender and dab it in. This is a great dupe for Max Fix Plus. And this, excuse the dirty mirror by the way, and this helps to like soften my face, remove the powdery stuff, and it also makes my highlight to stand out more. Like it makes my highlight to be more dewy and more glowy. I should have done blush before putting on highlight, I forgot, but yeah, I did that anyways. So yeah, I'm just putting, you know, highlight where highlight needs to go. And yeah, I'm gonna go off camera and add more highlight. I went in and I used 2 setting sprays that is very important to this, but the clip cut off. The setting sprays are Kat Von D and Ben Nye Final Seal setting sprays. Those are very important to, and they keep your makeup on all day, forever. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Actually, you'll see me. Bye guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.